Welcome! Your company has provided you access to Baresidet, the easiest way to learn Norwegian. Let's get started. First, you need to download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download Baresidet. It's that simple. Choose a language you speak in the list provided on the first screen. You can either log in with your phone number or use the credentials that were sent to you by SMS or email. Once logged in, you will see a variety of courses that you can choose from. If you tap on the icon in the top right corner, you can filter what you want to learn. You can choose whether to study general or work-specific vocabulary, and choose the difficulty level. Scroll down and select a course that you are interested in. Once you have chosen a course, tap the book icon in the top right corner to access an overview of all the words you will study in this course and their translation in the support language you chose. You can access this feature in the exercises as well, in case you don't remember the meaning of an image. In each course, you will see a list of different types of exercises. The first three help you increase your vocabulary through images, text, and audio. The four following ones help you improve comprehension of the Norwegian language using the vocabulary you learned in the previous exercises. Finally, in the last two exercises, you will get a chance to practice pronunciation and conversations.
Ja, jeg fylte på den.
In the menu bar, tap the second icon, the notepad. You will find a variety of general and work-related sentence lists that you can choose from. Once you have chosen a list, you can listen and practice the pronunciation of different sentences and take tests to check if you remember what they mean. If you tap on the plus symbol, you will see something very exciting. I am learning Norwegian.
Jeg lærer norsk.
Just say anything you like in the language that you selected, and the app will translate it into Norwegian. Save it, and it will appear in the My Words and Sentences section, where you can always access it and practice its pronunciation.
Jeg lærer norsk.
In the menu bar, when you have played at least one exercise, a third icon will appear, the dice. Select it. You can choose between 3 different courses that you have learned from and filter the type of exercises that you want to master. It is the best way to practice what you have already learned in Baresidet. Finally, you have probably noticed the target and the flame icons at the top of your screen. The target icon represents your level in Baresidet. You level up by 1 point approximately every 40 minutes spent learning in Baresidet. The flame icon is your streak. It shows how many days in a row you have been learning or practicing Norwegian with Baresidet. Don't miss a day or your streak will go down to 0. You might also see a cup icon. If you do, it means that your manager has created a challenge to encourage you to learn and practice Norwegian in a fun way with Baresidet. You can then track how close you are to completing this challenge thanks to the cup icon. You can track more of your progress by tapping the 4th icon from the left in the menu bar, the profile icon. At the top, you will see your personal information, and you can choose a new support language if you prefer. You also have 3 additional settings. Sound effects, which will turn off all sound in the app except for the voices in the exercises. You can also automatically advance to the next exercise and skip the exercise finished screen by turning on the Auto Advance setting. And lastly, You have dark mode, which will make the app interface dark instead of light. That's it. It has never been easier to start learning Norwegian. Start playing now and remember, language is the key to society. Just say it. That's the meaning of bare si det.